Today we went by car to Azay-le-Rideau. We had a look at the castle, which was closed, and then we followed the Indre river upstream. Azay is quite a nice town. Fortunately we were early, so we could go against traffic as there was no traffic. The town itself was, earliest mention was in the 12th century. It was known as Azayum. It was burned down in 1418 but restored. The most jewel in the crown is actually the chateau, which was built in 1518 to 1529 by Gilles Berthelot. And actually his wife kept an eye on the builders, so she did a very good job. And here we found what we were looking for. I wasn't particularly comfortable to take the drone out here, so only a few shots. We're here in the little village of Mont, and we're going to turn into a cycle path which was so bad that on the way back we took the dirt track, which you can see on the left of it. You had to keep your mouth closed, otherwise the fillings would rattle out of your teeth. Anyway, this was the only stretch of bad road in a 5-week holiday, so not too bad. Anyway, soon afterwards we were treated to a sea of flowers. That made up for it. Next little village is Montbazon, which has a nice fort on top. We'll see more of that on the way back. The AOC wines on this route are the Touraine Azay-le-Rideau. This is white wine from the Chenin grape and rosé from the Gralot grape. That's the same grape as in Anjou. This grape variety is on the decline, as it is seen as not really a high standard grape. The The AC Azay-le-Rideau is one of the smaller ones of the Touraine family. It only produces 160,000 bottles a year from 9 producers. I didn't want to make a large detour, so we sneaked through. We're now back in the village of Montbazon. The village has a massive statue high up on an old fortress. In the village of Mont, we took now the dirt track next to the cycle path, as the cycle path was extremely bumpy. So the remainder of the journey back was uneventful, as it should be. The cycling along the Indre is clearly different from cycling along the Loire, as it is on normal roads, not cycle paths.